There's a little bit better view of it. It's all cleared out now behind the tree. Up the hill. Some nice trees up there. Here's that old foundation. Made a big brush pile here, and we got the rest of the cyclone fence out. Some clearing behind it, all the way up to 67 again. And lastly, we did a bunch of clearing over here, and you can see the fence line. The rock foundation for maybe a bigger room in the hotel. Pretty big. And we didn't get to this area over here. We didn't get to that today. Let's see how the river looks. Not bad. Okay.